What up, folks, man? BJ Allowich is here, and tonight we're gonna have a grill out, a cookout, and we're gonna be using this right here. This is a Korean grill, Samgyupsal grill. All right, it's Korean, so I hope y'all can see that. That's how it looks. It's not like the grills we have in the States and everything, but you know. Go ahead and put the but yeah, we go ahead and put the charcoal down in here and everything, and you know, you let the air in right there or out, and these two places right here. So yeah, we about to have us a good old time tonight. All right, so I'm about to start these charcoals. We have wood charcoal also. Wood charcoal. And they say the easiest way to start is put olive oil on some paper towels, which I'm going to do. I'm going to start this flame on up so we can get to eating, man. We're going to be eating vegetables and cubed beef, beef strips, and squid. Or they call it I think they call it pasit. Anyway, I'm going to start this flame on up. Flame it on up. Let's get it popping. Okay, folks, so I got my wood chocolate down in here, my towel with olive oil on it. And let's see how it do. Alright, so we're gonna get this popping off and everything, and once the coals started burning good, I'll be right back with you, man. I'm gonna go in here and check on my lady, see how she doing with this food now. Yes, sir. Alright, so we got the charcoal and the wood charcoal. So we just gotta let it doggone keep on charcoaling and everything, and get these big pieces right here flamed on up. Excuse me, yeah. Right. Get them all flamed on up, man. Yeah. Yeah. This is about to be some good stuff, man. Some good stuff. So let's take a look at what we got to eat. What we cooking? We got the zucchini and the garlic. Different type of mushrooms. That's that type of mushroom they say you can make fried chicken out. Make it look like fried chicken. Got the same texture as chicken and everything. We got okra, eggplant, green peppers, red peppers, beef cubes of beef strips and everything. What's over here? Onions and tomatoes. Alright, so we got those mushrooms wrapped up inside of the beef strips and everything. Squid, which they call pasit here in the Philippines. And I think that's tuna or mackerel. I think that might be mackerel. So yeah, but if it's, I think that's mackerel, not tuna. That looks different. But anyway, yeah. We getting everything popping off and everything. Boy, I can't wait to eat, man. I'm so doggone hungry. I'm gonna be mostly trying to eat the vegetables though, because I got to get my health on. But I'm gonna get some of this beef stuff though, for real. So, yeah, let's get it popping. Alright, so we got the grill popping off. We got the squid, the beef cubes, the doggone onions, the zucchini, cherry tomatoes, the peppers, the mushrooms, the eggplant, the okra. We got it popping on off. And the beef strip wrapped mushrooms. Yeah. Yeah. I got my food ready to eat. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. I don't think we're gonna be able to eat outside. This smoke keep getting all our faces.
Because of the one oil,
Huh?
to the fire. That's the big one.
Let's stab the zucchini. I had to stab the zucchini. Shit. I dropped it. I'm bad about that one. I should just ate it. Fuck it. Yeah, we getting the party started. The party started now. Ain't that right, baby? Get the party started. We getting it popping. Look down here, folks. That looking good. Got the El Korean Samgyupsal. That's Marlin right there.
Look at what I
Yeah.
did.
What's that? You put the cheese on top, the mozzarella cheese on top of that?
I put the mozzarella.
Ah,
I have mozzarella.
yeah. It's a beautiful thing.
Nakamdak ng Korea ang kakapin. They look so big.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Cheers.
Being so shy. You ain't shy. I see you on the internet. You ain't shy.
You can put this at the top.
This is some wonderful stuff.
Wait, this time
What?
I'm going to take a video.
Of what? Of what?
So,
Might give me some foods. Well, ain't nothing ready. You gonna get some of this. I'm still not that good at the yes, so try this on out. Some of this. My hands are stiff. Fuck it. Let's see. This is the beef. We ain't put no okra on there.
just put an okra while we're still eating. Come on. So once
You taking rid of everything?
yeah.
God damn it. You try to maul them with cheese right here. Oh look. They're doing the firewood. They're doing fireworks over there.
Gosh, no more. Oh gosh, that firework was so good. The circle. Gosh, where's the phone? Oh my gosh. Look at the fireworks on the circle.
These chopsticks getting on my nerves.
So I can.
Why you bullying me around?
I'm not bullying you around, so I can see you on the fireworks.
You ain't number 5'2". You bullying me around.
See? Wow, that was so cool.
That paddle bill.
Wow.
Grab mine.
Baby, come on, give me your phone so I can take a picture while the fireworks.
Got the music playing.
But how can I take a picture like this?
You gonna start recording?
Also, once I go this one, it will stop
You gotta
recording.
change the camera. You gonna have to use your phone.
Wow! Wow! Look at the fireworks! Oh, look at that fireworks! Oh my goodness! Oh gosh, it looks like you're holding a fireworks. Come on, do it again.
I got it. Wow, she's bullying me.
I'm not bullying
She's bullying
you.
me, y'all.
Oh, fireworks is done already.
Yeah. Now it's time to eat some more. That tomato was hot.
Oh gosh, look at that. It's done already, baby. Give me my phone. Ivana, give me my phone.
I just burnt my damn tongue.
I'm done already. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I'm done already. Can I stop recording like this? This one? This one? This button? Bye.